Alright, g'day, hi, welcome. Where's my gloves? Oh geez. That is cold, that wind is so cold. It's one of those, if you touch metal today with your bare hands, you will have very cold and possibly frostbitten hands. It's not that cold temperature-wise, but that wind is just absolutely brutal. Okay, see if I can get past my uncle's SUV without taking the front end off of it. Because he says, is it far enough back for you? I said, oh yeah, if not, I'll just take the front end off. He goes, okay. Brought over the timeshare dog. I gotta go and clean the step after. Gotta check the step at the church. Gotta go get the other regular job done. We got quite a bit of snow, so I'll probably be working tomorrow. So I worked there almost every day this week. Holy, this is rough. Holy jeez. Yesterday was in the pluses, so like we got these massive deep, like foot deep ruts from the tires, and today it's all frozen, so it's like driving over like the tundra. Like it's just crazy. Yeah, so maybe a busy-ish day. Got the windshield wiper fluid again. Damn it. Why does that keep happening to me? Who keeps forgetting? Like, who keeps making me forget? Like, I don't understand. You coming? Yeah, that's cold. That is really cold. Like, from yesterday to today, there's about a 20 some odd difference in temperature, like 20-degree difference in temperature. You can't adjust to that. You just can't. I put 20 bucks of gas in there yesterday, so 3/4 of a tank. At least I'm getting onto the side of closer to the full side instead of always running near empty. But if I work today and tomorrow at these two clients, these are my two furthest clients. I still got to call my other client and see if she needs me up there yet. Because if she does, well then tomorrow I'll be back down to half tank again. Still gotta wait for some money to come in. Yeah. But the good news is the ice came off the roof here quite a bit. Not all of it, but a good chunk of it anyway. So that's what you get, like really cold at night, and then warm during the day, right? That's March. So everything's wet and soupy. I'm gonna have wet socks all the time, but we'll see how slushy it is. Hopefully it won't take me too long today, but that's a good 4 inches of snow last night. So it's gonna be wet and heavy, so I had to fix my roof rake. I lost a bolt out of it, and I was lucky enough to be able to cannibalize the head off the other roof rake and get that bolt in there. So I Loctited it, so I hope it works without falling apart on me. But today I only have to do like half the roof. I don't have to do the whole roof. But yeah, I can imagine my client's place must be leaking like crazy though, with that mild weather. My other client yesterday, the whole roof let go on one side. It let go enough that it knocked some of the, it knocked the shelf open. Like it shook a shelf open. Some board games fell out. So I wrote it down, so okay, I'll just let her know. And well, Mr. Adam, he'll be busy. Him and his dad. The toilet bowl's got antifreeze in it because we shut down the place for the season, right, for the winter, and like every time I go in there's a dead mouse in the toilet bowl. I have to throw out these dead mice. It's kind of funny. Oh, I see him. Get ahead of it. Get ahead of it. See, if you wipe it off before it gets a chance to freeze, it actually cleans it, even though it's dirty. It's like dirty clean. Dirt clean. that a normal sound? That's the sound of the windshield getting scraped clean. That's what it is. 4 clients here. Oh, the snow I pulled off is all it's all back. I broke my roof rake on that roof. That's why I tell people, like, you know, like if the snow is like 4 feet deep on the roof, like, I can't really do it with the roof rake, and I don't get on the roofs anymore. I just can't do it. You know, it hurts too much. I'm getting too old, too worn out. That's what hard labor does to you all your life. Like, it just breaks you. You know what I mean? And everybody has their different, like, they're good until they're not, right? Like, they're like, oh, I can still work like I'm 20, and then one day you get up and you can't. And I probably would still be fine now if I didn't have that operation in 2019. I swear I lost half my body strength in 2019 after that operation. I've never fully recovered from that. Like, the strength I had back then, like, I'm still a pretty strong guy, still pretty healthy, but nowhere near, like, I have no pulling strength whatsoever anymore. Like, it's bizarre, you know. So if I've lost half my strength now, when I'm 60, I'm gonna be like so weak. you know what I mean? Like that. So hopefully I can find some sort of work that's way less stressing, because I just don't think I'm gonna live long enough to keep work. Well, I'm on the work till you die program like everybody else, like, especially now. You know, the way the economy is right now. Even if everything was to go back to where it was 6 weeks ago, it's still like, just to get back to that's going to take like 5 years. Like, that's how much damage is done. It's unbelievable. I can't talk too much about it on this channel. Everybody that keeps asking me, like, Reg, are you ever going to open up another Not Reg Me kind of style channel on YouTube? No. That's on BitChute. The links are down below. It'll never be on YouTube. I'm too targeted. You know, just talking about current events, even lightly, it demonetized a couple of my videos already. So it's like, yeah, I just can't, I can't do it, you know. You know, basically YouTube is a milk toast, you know, milk toast videos. That's it. That's what we get, unfortunately. I hate to say it so, but it's so. Now, I also got to check out the little church, because I might have to shovel the step for the church, because it is Friday and people will be going to church on Saturday or so, or Sunday, sorry. Or does this? I think this one actually might do their mass on Saturdays, or both Saturday and Sunday. I'm not too sure, because we have like Anglican, Protestant churches, and I think Presbyterian. Like, there's 3 churches in the neighboring town. There's like little churches all over the place around here. I mean, they're all like legacy churches from like 100 and some odd years ago, right? So yeah, go get my work done, see what happens. See what happens. But I'm, you know, kind of can't wait to get out of this, like, really nasty snow stuff and the slush and all that. I'm not looking forward to the, it's so hard on your vehicles. It's so hard on me. I just don't want to play anymore. I don't want to do winter work anymore. It's too hard. Get back to the grass clipping stuff. What I'm trying to do is find clients where I can just sit on a lawnmower. You know what I mean? Just sit on a riding mower for 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, whatever it is. Yeah, you know, something that doesn't, you know, you don't break a sweat doing. It's hard work still, but, you know. Communicating with whales? sort of see. If somebody would put some damn windshield washer fluid in this thing. What sounds? What sounds? Oh, I wonder what it's going to be like getting into my clients there with all the slush. Oh my God, it's going to be horrible. I thought my tires were going to be frozen to the ground this morning. I really did. My door was partially frozen, not too bad. Did I bring my... Oh yeah, well they got one there, yeah, okay. That's why I don't do anything before like 10 o'clock in the winter time. Like, it's just, you know, the summertime you want me there by 8, 7, whatever, 9, that's fine. But in the winter time, nah. I don't know what the temperature went down to last night, but whatever it went down to, it was definitely cold. Put that down a notch. The sun's nice and warm. Sun is nice and toasty. Toasty is good. But that wind, man, that wind.